ईशमीशान निर्वाण रूपम् विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेदस्वरूपम् निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहम् चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं भजेऽहम् निराकारमोङ्कारमूलं तुरीयम् गिराज्ञानगोतीतमीशं गिरीशम् करालं महाकालकालं कृपालुम् गुणागार संसारपारं नतो तुषारात्रिसङ्काशगौरं गभीरम् मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाश्रीशरीरम् स्फुरं मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा
Hello and good morning people. After a gap of how many months? 2 months. 2 months we are back on the highway for next trip. Summer vacation in pilgrimage. It's a long trip. It's gonna be week-long trip. Excited about it to the core. We started around 4:20 from Bangalore, from our home, and then today's destination for us is Shirdi, Maharashtra, and then it continues from there. Lot to capture and later to share, but a start has been done.
चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रूसुनेत्रं विशालम्
Okay, so first of the many tolls which we have to go through. Nelbangla toll, right?
Yes.
Nelbangla toll, just next to Manipatanagar metro station. We are officially on the highway now. टैगों की श्रृंखला शुरू हो चुकी है और पूरा टोल क्रॉस करके तुमकुर रोड another toll, the
Third one for the day.
third one for the day. It will be quite a few of them, so we cannot keep a count. But then we have
I think we're close to Tumkur.
Yeah, we are almost near Tumkur now. Just waiting for the little bride to say as much. Chara Jeevanahalli.
Want to say hi to the video? Sleepy girls. Oh, not to be seen. Both are not to be seen actually.
Now little bright and proper to give some dialogue and some comment. So we have some fellow passenger this time around, some new fellow passenger actually, and all are shy. All are shy.
And I'm so dark and I can't.
Why are you doing confession?
See that side sunrise.
Sunrise.
Okay, so we are.
Can we do something?
See Sai Baba.
No, it's here in the book.
That
Nice Sai Baba temple they have done in.
and we are going to
Shirdi.
Shirdi. What's the toll?
I'm not taking
Goiladu.
Okay. So we are in which tour?
Goiladu toll.
Goiladu tour. And we are inaugurating the lane for a change
So definitely lucky.
for the
today.
first time. I don't think I can get that lucky. Oh, I am.
System is just starting.
Okay, that also required manual touch actually. It's still not automated, but then yeah, good till now. It has been good. Not much of traffic. The road also is kind of good till now. Now we just want to stop by for a cup of morning tea or a coffee. Look at the place. We are like 10 in total, right? How many we are?
11.
11 of us in two vehicles. So in pairs it is. It's like we are hunting the highway in pairs.
For which crop does it suit? Black soil. Cotton. Very good. Don't come for it. Maximize more.
So done with coffee and now recharged and refreshed to enjoy the highway, and we have had a shuffling of passengers. Now new set of passengers with me.
Thank you, Rishi.
Everyone up and ready for breakfast at Davangere Benne
Bende
Dosa.
Dosai.
So road has been good. And
But Sharan,
Sharon, how is your experience?
how is your experience, Sharan? You are enjoying?
So far,
Yes.
so good.
Sunita?
Yes.
Okay. Surya? Are you enjoying the trip?
He's enjoying, but he's busy also.
I'm busy in environment. Okay, we are passing through scenic windmills on either side in Chitradurga.
That side.
Next pit stop is Davangere for Dosa. Let's see how it pans out.
So what time you are planning to reach, Rishi?
Davangere, na?
No. Final destination of
Final
Shirdi.
destination for today, Shirdi. We should reach by 7:30.
Okay.
7:30 should be fine for us. We can rest.
Where exactly the roads are issues?
Not sure. That we'll have to see. As per other videos we saw, roads are almost 90% to Shirdi is fine. But yeah, that was a little old video, so we'll have to see. Should be adventure at least, if not experience.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. Yep. Toll name is unknown to me, but good toll, not working properly, so maintaining consistency. This is Timlapura.
Timlapura.
Timlapura. What is happening? Finally, something wrong with my tag, I believe. It got faded in the hot sun or something like that. It's taking time. I'm taking onus on me only that it is wrong. But that's fine. But see our civic sense. People have parked their vehicle when they would have had to make any correction and they have left the bricks on the road. तो अब हमारी एक आदत ब्रेकफास्ट की जगह की तलाश शुरू हो गई है, जो कि बहुत ही कम है इस रोड में। आमतौर पे हमें हमेशा से आदत रही है कुनिकल रोड में जाने की, जहाँ पे कोई भी कमी नहीं मिलती है। हमको हर तरह के रेस्टोरेंट और होटल और ढाबा मिलते हैं। इसमें हमें खाने की जगह मिल जाए वही बहुत है। रेस्टोरेंट, ढाबा, होटल का हमें ना ही उम्मीद है, ना ही हमने एक्सपेक्टेशन रखा है। बाकी रोड काफ़ी अच्छा है, well maintained, worth of the toll which you pay actually. गर्मी 8:30 बजे में ही फील हो रही है, दोपहर 2 बजे की, जो कि अभी तो हमें और भी सहने के लिए तैयार होकर रहना है। But let's see, because road is good, so the main is this. If you're going to Shirdi, it's very important to notice this toll wherein you might miss it. This place is which place? I don't know the name.
I think somewhere Hospet we are in.
Before Hospete, actually you have to take, the toll has 2 lanes. One is straight, you have to take the one which goes to right. And you can show Sharon in this. Okay, no, we had our own share of adventure in toll plaza actually. As I was telling in the prior toll plaza, my FASTag appears to have some issue, faded or whatever, God knows. It's finding difficulty to read. Or maybe mine is an outdated version and theirs is an updated software. But back to the road is good. We had lunch sort of, brunch also you can call, very early for brunch, but then
No, break time was like the breakfast time only, but just the
food was like brunch. So we had solid roti, sabji, dal tadka and all everything properly. So now we are loaded for long time. Let's see, it will help us fighting the heat on the road and we will counter it with our hotness. Fighting with the heat actually. It's very hot outside, we can sense it. But then inside somehow that is AC is keeping us cool. Outside it is 35 degree temperature, which is sure not beyond expectation. One more toll welcoming done by the executive, if I can tell him. Jai Nitin Gadkari. The thing is, if the road is such that you're cruising like the way I am, you will not feel bad paying for it. Problem happens when the road is bullshit and then you still have to pay. So that way, it's a good cruise. We have made one alteration in our plan and we are thinking of a pit stop. It might be a backfiring decision, but then we have thought of just having a stroll around Gol Gumbaj in Bijapur and then continue. So let's see how it pans out. It's another 1 hour from here to Gol Gumbaj, but it's very hot outside. We will take a call after reaching there, either to see from outside only or get down and go.
But not much deviation, no?
5 kilometers I feel from the highway it is showing. Hopefully, if that's the case, then it should be okay. Let's see, one of the wonder we can see on our way.
Yes. Okay.
And we directly land to Kazakhstan because there's a place called Almaty. 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 Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's about it as of now. That's it. 6 kilometers to Gol Gumbaj. We are very much close, but we are still apprehensive about the heat.
To go to Gol Gumbaj.
Gol Gumbaj, yeah. We're thinking we'll just go there and then we will see
We'll have tea and come.
tea, or should we get down and see, or should we roam around in the vehicle only and
See that just told me.
Welcome to BHTPL. We are welcome, but let us go also, no? Thank you so much. It's very hot actually outside. The temperature, outside temperature is showing 38 degrees. I mean, God knows. This is known. I mean, North Karnataka is typically a dry area. Savior is the road though.
We have been accompanied by one more vehicle backside.
And the vehicle owner is like, okay, get that vehicle also covered in that. Now I got to know. The company is there actually. Yes.
That headline.
Astani, 80 kilometers. Hubballi, 184. Indian Jugaad, bike, towing a bike.
Not much food options here.
No food options, not much. So is never usable only.
Food options.
No food options only.
So better plan your food better.
Carry your food.
Hey, like this one then.
So we are at the Gol Gumbaj of Bijapur, built by Adil Shah. I'm pretty sure we wouldn't have come here separately to see this. Let's see how it is there, if there is a possibility of just seeing from outside, because inside anyways there will not be entry. Not sure.
Why there will not be?
I'm just guessing, maybe because it is an old this thing, no? Monument. Very wrong time we have come in the deep sun.
Scorching heat.
Scorching heat.
What is the temperature outside?
37.
Not bad.
37 is okay. Manageable.
There's a flyover next year. I'm thinking through that only we will be done. But looks good only. I mean, I'm sure it's huge for sure. See? Okay.
Sir, I said.
So we had a worthwhile visit to Gol Gumbaj with all the apprehensions. Well, like it will be time killing thing, but it was like good exposure, and admirable was the thing that how they have kept their techniques in architecture, because I mean today's world, I don't know, with so much of instrument and research and facilities available, they will reach there, but these guys in those days only have done so many great things and so many linkings, God knows how. Amazing. Jayapura. Now we are back on the highway looking for our Khanawali. Patna Shetty Khanawali.
Hey, that went that side of the ocean.
Is it?
Yeah. The wrong side.
Nice food. Hotel. What was the name of the hotel? Vrindavan. Hotel Vrindavan on Solapur Bijapur highway, and the good one. Clean, tidy, just veg, but nice. Now all set for the highway. far,
No.
but doesn't look like. What am I? Most unfortunate, unlucky person in the planet.
Nobody was there actually.
Where? Which one?
On this counter.
This one, no? You should have told before.
Just no, sir.
No, maybe he would have gone down to
Coming back, huh?
this thing, RF reader. They would have gone to take. Now, what has happened? All these toll gates have become old, right? The readers have become sad, and they will be telling that your tag has become old. So you have to just wait. So that's a Indian state of affairs. Now they'll take their own sweet time to replace it. Now what is the benefit of taxi if you have to stand here only? Nodi? Now we cannot go back also. Behind Vanchalo is coming in full josh. See? He's still trying to scan him on his own sweet time.
Okay, this is Tidagundi
Okay,
Toll
fine.
Plaza.
Which one?
Tidagundi Toll Plaza. Vijaypura Tollway Private Limited, but administrative building Tidagundi Toll Plaza.
Maybe this is the last toll plaza of Karnataka. Yellow tray. See, everywhere it's like that. Technology, Raja. What's up?
Stop.
DL has to maintain the distance.
Start.
So finally, after 8 hours of journey on road and almost 12 hours from the start, we are into Maharashtra now. So we are in the destination state for tonight. Road experience. Good, all experience treating us well. Outside climate is super though. 40 degrees Celsius. It's gonna be super. 40 super. But then psychologically it feels better that okay, we are in Maharashtra and we were supposed to stop in Maharashtra tonight. See how it continues. For pending 337 kilometers, it is showing 6.5 hours. So we actually be sure that the road is not so great ahead. And evening time also, so we'll have to see how well we get stuck into. Let's see. Done with evening tea. It was kind of a syrup, sugar syrup and tea, but then good. Misal pav and something very nice. We are on a state highway. Another 250 kilometers left for Shirdi. Another 4.5-5 hours as per map. Let's see what time we are able to make it. So हमारे शाम की चाय के बाद हमें मैप ने एक स्टेट हाईवे दिखाया है. रोड तो काफ़ी अच्छा है बट परेशानी ये है कि गाड़ियों में ट्रैफिक सेंस शायद नहीं है क्योंकि कोई भी हाई बीम से लो बीम करने को तैयार ही नहीं है. बट देखते हैं. अनदर 200 किलोमीटर बाकी है हमारी जर्नी और उसके लिए 4 घंटे दिखा रहा है. आई एम श्योर देयर इज रोड इशू अहेड. अभी का हमारा शिरडी का ETA जो है वो 11 बजे का दिखा रहा है. 11:15. लेट्स सी कितना कवर अप कर पाते हैं उसमें या फिर कितने बजे तक पहुंचते हैं. Finally we have got proper road actually. I believe this one will take us till Ahmednagar, which will be around 80-90 90 kilometers away from Shirdi, so hoping to cover some distance because for the 160 kilometers it is showing 3 hours. For sure road is gonna be messed up somewhere. As much as we can cover in this road, it's fine. The ETA still stays at 11 o'clock. Let's see how it is. My fellow passengers are also full tired now. Everyone is waiting for the time we reach and make it to the hotel. Okay, it is Ahmednagar toll. I don't think the toll is operational yet. It is operational. Sorry.
Very much obvious.
So we are near Ahmednagar toll. The road has been good after that patch, which was like little single road kind of thing. Good, nicely newly built highway. Hoping it continues to steady, then we'll be good. Our ETA has now reduced to 10:50 with 84 kilometers left. Let's see how it goes. The last lap of the day.